Mint is your financial planner that doesn't cost a dime. It integrates all your accounts in one place, categorizes your transactions automatically, and helps you set budgets that keep your spending in check. It's perfect for getting a clear picture of your financial health. While you need a budget usually has a fee, you can start with a 34-day free trial. Use this period to experience their unique budgeting approach, where every dollar is assigned a role, aiming to eliminate wasteful spending and build strong saving habits. Credit Karma keeps you updated on your credit score without a subscription. They provide insights into what's affecting your score and offer advice on improving it. Plus, their free tax filing service is a bonus that can save you money during tax season. Pocket Guard helps you uncover how much money you can actually spend after all your essential expenses are covered. It's a fantastic tool for those looking to curb overspending and find extra savings opportunities. Good Budget takes the classic envelope budgeting method digital. With free access to envelope and budget tracking, this tool is perfect for those who like to see where every dollar is going, making it easier to manage household finances collaboratively. Wally is all about clarity. Track your income and expenses, understand your spending behaviors through visuals, and stay on top of your financial goals, all for free. Start using Every Dollar's free plan to manage your monthly budget effectively. Based on Dave Ramsey's zero-based budgeting technique, it ensures every dollar you earn serves a purpose. Even on a free plan, Buxfer offers basic tools for managing your money, like budgeting, tracking expenses, and projecting future spending. It's especially great for handling multiple currencies if you travel or work internationally. Wallet Hub provides free daily updates on your credit score and detailed reports to help you stay informed of your financial status. They also offer personalized advice tailored to improving your financial health. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more insightful content like this.